Dude, ever since you've gotten that FL5, you've been dogging on me. It's upgrade after upgrade. You've not stopped upgrading your car.
Well, you gotta start at the brakes. That's why I go through corners faster than you.
Yeah, okay. A couple of months ago, we introduced our very first brake upgrade for the latest FL5, DE5, and FK8 models. It's a complete front big brake kit consisting of massive 6-piston front calipers, upsized slotted rotors, performance brake pads, and stainless steel lines to round out a complete kit.
We'll link that video in the description below. But today, we build upon that entry into this segment with even more brake upgrades for these models. How? With the launch of our brand new front 6-piston caliper only kit and a rear rotor upgrade.
Did you say front and rear upgrades?
We sure as heck did. All right, family, let's get into the weeds of these two upgrades so you know what you're in for.
Say that you don't want to commit to a full-fledged big brake kit like the ones that we just talked about, but still want to improve on those factory Brembos.
The ones that turn brown from brake dust? Brembos?
Yeah, those. What we've done here is created a 6-piston front caliper kit that reuses your OEM rotors.
Now, on most Type Rs starting around 2020, you've already got a 2-piece rotor from factory, which is sweet. This upgrade focuses on a bigger caliper still. 6 pistons in this kit. That equals more even pressure, better pad wear, and repeatable performance when the temperatures climb. This also allows more clamping force and a larger pad sweep area. Well, let's say you don't need better specs, and are just focused on better looks.
We've got you covered with these nice massive calipers available in Redline Red or Stealth Black with a nice 271 logo right up front.
Custom brackets that work with OEM rotors are part of this kit too. Add in a great feeling street pad and a DOT approved stainless steel lines and you've got yourself an unbeatable combination. What about the rear? Here, we've got a sizable rotor upgrade that retains the OEM rear caliper, going up to a 350mm rotor from a 305 in the rear. Really helps when the temps get hot. So you've got more heat dissipation area. This improves a common issue that results in having to swap out your rear pads often due to insanely fast wear. You guys already know that these cars suffer from abnormal rear pad wear. Plus, the rotors are a 2-piece design, meant to shed weight and are slotted for better performance over the OEM blank disc setup.
And speaking of pads, you could use any OEM size rear pad you prefer. For the ultimate daily, pair this with our line of performance rear brake pads as well, like these right here. For a track monster, slap on a set of dedicated track pads. Best of all, this kit is a direct bolt-on, easily reversible, and installs in just about 1 hour. And now you can have your rear brake pad performance match your front.
And that is it, family. Another worthy upgrade from yours truly. You can get your brake upgrades from the links in the description below. And before you go, please like and subscribe so you can keep bringing you more videos like this. Lad and I do really enjoy doing these.
Yeah, we love them. We just can't get enough.